video is a request by Alice the UWUQ2. Sorry Whizbang, your request is so weird, not being rude.
Let's go to the beach!
No, I hate beach.
Too bad we go beach and finale.
Okay, where do you want to sit?
I want to sit with Mika.
No, because I'm sitting with her. Why not sit with Doodle instead?
No. I don't want to sit with Doodle. I want to sit with Mika now.
What the heck is wrong with that? Blue car with arms and legs?
If you throw a tantrum, then Bob is going to send you to Sicksuckland.
You know what? I'm going to attack everyone on the train.
Cursed Poli face. How dare you attack everyone on the train? That's it.
Have fun in Sicksuckland.
And I still really like crying more.
Thank you for watching, plus this video is random.
And requests are closed. What?